NBC 10's Aaron Baskerville is joining us with more on that. Aaron?
Tracy, you just detailed so much back and forth with SEPTA. Like you said, we did see some of those service cuts rolled back about 2 weeks ago on September 14th. Take a look at the sign. That one route was eliminated. It's now back because of that rollback. But now the riders are asking, what's next? What about those fare hikes? They say they are certainly feeling the pinch, but like you said, now it looks like a lawyer is trying to help them out once again.
Oh, it's going to hit you in the pockets eventually, yes. I mean, it's next to 40 cents a day.
It's been nearly 2 weeks since SEPTA increased fares, and riders are slowly starting to feel it.
Increasing the fare, might mean, not having enough for certain groceries and things like that. So it's definitely hard and having to pick and choose what your money goes to.
The same lawyer who successfully fought to roll back service cuts on September 14th tells NBC 10 he's now about to file a class action lawsuit trying to end the fare increase. He's also looking to get refunds for all riders.
Why do they need to punish Philadelphia riders when they have over $300 million sitting in a reserve account? It's an abuse of discretion.
George Bacchetto tells NBC 10 the lawsuit should be filed within the next 7 days. He claims SEPTA has hundreds of millions of dollars in a reserve fund that could pay for the $31 million collected in fare hikes. Bacchetto also believes the transit agency violated statute by not having a public hearing on the budget move.
If there was an emergency situation, they're allowed to take temporary action. But this fare increase is not a temporary measure. This is permanent. And if you're going to do a permanent fare increase, the statute absolutely says you have to have a legitimate public hearing.
NBC 10 also reached out to civil litigation lawyer Nikole Dagessian, who's not affiliated with the case. She says both lawsuits for the fare hike and service cuts could be very similar.
The underlying argument for the riders is the same. And it's a public policy argument that it does not benefit the public to make these changes that SEPTA is proposing to make.
And we're told that this could be months and months before any decision comes down on that lawsuit. Of course, we also reached out to SEPTA today to get their feelings on the lawsuit or any of these accusations that were made. They simply told us no comment tonight. For now, we're live in Lower Merion. Aaron Baskerville, NBC 10 News.
Now, the NBC 10 investigators looked at the cost of SEPTA compared to other major cities. With SEPTA's new base fare at $2.90, it's now tied with New York City as the most expensive. But the median income for people who rely on public transportation in Philadelphia is more than $13,000 less than for those in New York.